In the mighty jungle, the lions go to sleep. Whoa.
Pretty little black skin girl. Yeah. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Oh, cut my hair. It's a mess. My chocolate babies will come back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. Secret off court. And my office still goes to support my friend. Thank you see from the title down below. We're going to Ochi Rios. Ooh. I didn't get to go to we vacay. So I'm going to my vacay. Right? Alright, so my friend is keeping a road trip. It's called River Excursions. So it's gonna be every other month. It's either every 3 months you're going to keep it with her father, or it's gonna be every 2 months or every 6 months. It's gonna be like more than once a year, because it's a basically they're having a travel thing. They have different trips all over Jamaica, so you guys can check them out on Instagram at Rebel Excursions. Yeah, I hope this day goes well, because I don't know, but I don't know where I catch cold from. I don't know if it's flu. I don't know what. I don't know nothing. I wasn't going to go because I wasn't feeling good yesterday. My head was hurting. I was coughing bad. My throat was hurting. And I didn't want to let her down today. She waked me up while I'm asleep, guys. And I was like, you know, remember just to go. I don't have to act like myself. I just need to eat something or drink something warm and get some pill. I should have on my mask though, but I never remember. I run outside the house because I need to go comb her hair now. And it's after 6, bus leaves at 7:30. It's like 6:40 something, and the bus leaves at 7:30. I need to comb her hair, and she needs to get all things done. So yeah, man, my friend them lit bug like me too. So one gang, one team, one dream. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I have my bathsuit under this. I have my trucks and my slippers. But guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell to be notified when the girl Dipping Chocolate uploads another video. Let's go.
Yeah.
No, my one.
Not done for now. I come for what's mine, I come for love. Start adjust to the pain and I'm enough. Love I got for walk alone. Me not see nothing, just feel my rolling.
Them finna say hello. I agree in my brain where it's clear. I under the clear. The clear. From the this a brawling.
So what's going on, guys? So we're in the park shop. Take it over, Fio. Take it over.
Yeah, we're just at St. so almost there. Yeah, we're in a supermarket.
Yeah.
They want peanut punch.
Peanut punch. I wait there. You know the little one there? Me, I was a buy. I'm obsessed with it. That more. So guys, we have still suffer the same way. I'm still a child. And we're a soldier. We're a soldier, she a police. She a police and me a soldier. Anti-duties. Funny. Take a jump. Fling a pin in there. They're gonna get wet up fully.
Which part are you going to fully? Don't they?
Swing.
Yeah, and let's drop. No, come back, drop, brother.
They're going to water a little first. Special case. Mamba, they're living in the wild. In the wild where they live.
There's the farm.
Oh!
Them
I'm shooting the food bag from the bag that's there one place by itself.
Tears in my eyes.
Come jump with this now.
We not criminals, we want to take a dark price side. For us to get
All right. On the market, that's about good not doing
Them 2 feet.
I love short people.
Huh? They want to go beef curry and go farm.
So, so guys, we're going to White River because the rain was falling.
Forget your PPV.
So hello guys, we are at White River now because we were at a place name. I don't remember what place name, but it is so on the rain that fall and now we're in a fall at White River now. So we get 2 radam in a one day. But I go enjoy myself. My phone is 7%. So I'm just hope so I get as much content as possible for you guys. I'm there outside naked with my naked body. Body look good. I have cold guys, I look for me. So yeah, let's go to White River. Barely walking alive.
I'm sure you're going
Guys, that White River, and it's a White River there beside that nude beach. Parati, me look from there when people naked as they did them born. Me didn't have a show though. Naked as they did them born, them red ass people. I can't believe. Me don't want to show you know. Come in and sue me. Who is here? Why do you make that face? What's that face? Yeah? What was that face? So hey guys, what do you look here them on so hey guys, I'm getting my phone charged. I'm a vlogger, so yeah. Getting my phone charged and my throat feel like it's close up. And if I get something for some pill or something, I'm feel sick. But yeah, the day alright, you know, but the rain fall, it mess up the thing. But me there still. I feel like some chota. Close up. So yes guys, I stayed in the bus the whole evening because rain was falling and the flu was coming down on me, and you know we didn't do much, so we just went home after. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.